Um, Again, I'm Arenes Mendoza Jr. from Psychology Department, first year, and this is the continuation of my portfolio and the activities for the finals period. And the first activity is all about the material self. And the first question is describe your material self. And I answered, whenever I have an excess budget from my allowance, I usually buy clothes. I love copying a certain fashion style from the internet and trying to imitate it, and I also love buying books. For the second question, it says if your mother will give you 2,000 pesos, list down the things that you'll be buying. And then my answer would be clothes, books, and anime figures. And then the third question for this activity is what lessons have you gotten from the movie Confessions of Shopaholic? My answer is that the main lesson we can pick up from the movie is how we should be responsible for our expenses. There are times that we spend our money on useless things, things that are needed. We should plan our expenses very well, especially nowadays that inflation is very relevant. And then next lesson is the impact of metacognition. And my answer is that metacognition has a lot of impact, especially for me as a psychology student. We know that in the course of psychology, there are a lot of readings that need to be done, and metacognition helps me to have a higher comprehension of the subject matter, resulting in their resulting in higher knowledge retention and application. It is also important in psychology to know us ourselves, and metacognition helps students learn about their strengths and shortcomings, which enables them to modify their methods as necessary. It also makes me feel that I have freedom because I can decide on what type of learning I will use through the use of metacognition. Next activity is all about the how to be the best version of yourself. And then my answer is that to be the best version of myself, I will apply what I learned in the lesson, which is the growth mindset. Because in this mindset, we are telling ourselves that it is okay to make mistakes as long as we are learning from them, so that when we try again next time, we will try again but with a new gathered lesson. With this thinking, we can stay composed and collected even when we are faced with different challenges. It can help us be more focused on planning for solutions with this kind of emotional resilience. I can also apply self-efficacy wherein I will have a trust or I will believe that myself is capable of my goals or the things that I want to achieve. Next activity. Um, the next activity is all about the political self, and the first question is what kind of political person are you? My answer to that question is when it comes to politics, I'm the type of person who doesn't ride on anything as soon as I see it. I will make sure to read about it and try to view the other perspective of the story. I make sure that every information is factual and came from a legitimate source. Also, I'm the type of person who doesn't indulge on supporting politicians just because they are famous, even though they have some criminal record. For the second question, what are you as a leader? For my answer, I'm the type of leader who values participation so much. I believe that a decision or plan should be made out of all the suggestions that come from each member and not only from the leader. I make sure that everyone agrees with the plan before we do the execution. And the third question, what Filipino traits help you to be a good leader? And my answer to that is that I think the Filipino trait that helps me to be a good leader is being respectful. Through this, I also learned to respect the opinions and beliefs of other people or other member of the group. And then next activity and the last activity for this finals is how to be a better student using the connecting it to different lesson first on self-efficacy. Self-efficacy is a very crucial part of a person. It will be a huge part if the person would or would not be successful in life. For instance, it is hard to succeed if you yourself don't believe in your own capabilities. And on metacognition skills, metacognition is really important, particularly for me as a psychology student. It is common knowledge that there are numerous required readings, and metacognition enables me to have a greater understanding of the material, leading to a higher application and retention of knowledge. And on best strategies on learning, for me, the best learning technique or strategy is active learning, wherein we engage with learning materials in an interactive and participative manner. This allows me as a learner to think, analyze, and apply information actively. So that's all of the activities that we had during this course, the understanding the self. And thank you so much again for watching. Again, I'm Arenas Mendoza Jr. from Psychology Department, first year.